is Halim. This is our oldest classroom. This is Gabby, one of our wonderful teachers. And over there we have Lizzie. Every classroom has its own bathroom, which comes in handy when it's time to toilet train. This is the amazing Valerie. Valerie, wave hi. Hi. This is Dubity. This is one of our toddler classrooms. This is Mimi. Say hi, Mimi. And there is Ruthie and Rachel. They're just cleaning up in here and getting ready for lunch. This is our Naveem. This is our other toddler classroom. They're just about to clean up and get ready for lunch too. These are fabulous teachers, Tessa and Alex. This is Kofi. This is our 3-year-old classroom. You might notice that we are down a lot of kids today. It's the last day before winter break. So a lot of families have already left. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous classroom. This beautiful space is our atrium. We are blessed with lots of space here, and this is a particularly lovely area where we can eat indoors. When it's chilly out, we have little picnics here, and it's nice to still feel like you're outside, even when you're in. This is our private playground. We have a sandbox that's very popular, and we have our own garden, which is shut down for the season, but we do have a great harvest every year. This past year we had pumpkins, which we then use for lots of fun science projects and art projects in fall. And we have a climbing structure, and we are constantly rotating all sorts of fun gross motor toys in and out of the playgrounds. So everything is always kept fresh, and then children will do art along the wall, and on beautiful days we do a whole lot of curriculum out here as well. This is our indoor gross motor space, so when the weather is inclement, we can come in here and play and still get all of our wiggles out. We also have a bunch of gross motor toys in here that we constantly rotate in and out. There's things for children to build with, lots of riding toys for children to ride on. We have a slide that we bring out. It's a really great space that we are very lucky to have.